Meet the telescoping tripod from the makers of GorillaPod, Telepod. We set out to create the finest handheld tripod and vlogging stick. Like you, we're storytellers, and because of that, we didn't hold back. The handle has 4 modes: hand grip, extended grip, tabletop mode, and elevated mode. Perfect for landscape shots and 360 cameras. The smartphone mount is made of professional-grade stainless steel. It provides a solid lockable grip and is adjustable for landscape and portrait framing. For the vloggers out there, we added a metal cold shoe mount on top, perfect for mics or lights. The Telepod's locking extension pole extends to 31 inches. There is also a removable Bluetooth trigger for starting and stopping the action. The Telepod from Joby, designed and made for professional vloggers like you and me.
A joyride, a hit and run. I thought I loved you, you thought I was fun. I'm moving on down the road. Watch me as I go, watch me as I go. Should've looked both ways before you cross me, babe, 'cause I don't break for boys. I'm moving on. For miles, 67 fastback, oh, it's just my style. We're headed down the road. Just enjoy the show, watch me as I go. Should've learned both ways before you cross me, baby, 'cause I don't break for boys. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Got nothing left to say. Let's be on my way. Best of luck. I'm moving on.
Hi, my name is Camilla, and we are here today to look at the latest lineup of the products by Manfrotto. Have you ever wondered what these things are actually used for? I wondered that myself until I got the chance to see them in action, and you know, they're actually pretty useful. We have 3 different options here on display, and the first one is the Compact Extreme, which is actually a 2-in-1 monopod plus pole, which can be used for both stabilizing your camera. It comes with an adapter to use with your GoPro, and it has a 1/4 thread adapter for it. It can actually switch into a selfie stick. So if you're ever on the road and have nobody else to take a photo of you, you can get that done yourself. The X Pro over monopod is great to help expand your vertical shooting range with 4 sections, as well as the quick power lock system for fast setup and takedown. and it's great for use with mirrorless cameras and SLRs. And then this one here, it's great for video usage. We actually have stabilizing feet in the bottom, so it gives you a lot more stability, and it has a fluid motion at the bottom, and the head has a handle for a lot more fluid motion for video control. We hope that this video on the range of monopods available by Manfrotto has helped you make the right choice for your shooting style.
I would like to introduce you to the all-new Fugetek Selfie Stick with integrated tripod. This all-in-one portable and professional selfie stick extends up to 51 inches. Great for lectures, sporting events, presentations, and more. Made out of heavy-duty aluminum and is lightweight, collapsible to 19 inches, making it easy for storage and travel. Comes with a fast-connecting wireless Bluetooth remote that can be used with most devices and has a rechargeable battery with 300-hour standby. Universal thumb screw phone mount accommodates most phones with cases up to 4.2 inches. The Fugetek Selfie Stick and Tripod comes equipped with quick flick locks and no twist lock system, which ensures a wobble-free selfie. This unit is two awesome gifts in one: selfie stick and tripod. Get yours today at Amazon.com by searching for Fugetek.
Meet 3-Way, the most versatile GoPro mount yet. 3-Way can be used in three main ways: as an extension arm, camera grip, or tripod. To capture everything from POV and selfies to static tripod shots, follow cam, and more. 3-Way's folding extension arm is incredibly unique, allowing you to self-document your passions without the mount appearing in the shot. This one feature makes it the ultimate mount for selfies. Want to get closer? Detach the handle from the arm and it doubles as a camera grip, perfect for POV angles and follow cam. The grip makes it easy to aim your camera and frame your shots with confidence. Conveniently stored inside the handle is a lightweight mini tripod that can be removed and used on its own or combined with the handle. It's ideal for time-lapse photography and other static tripod shots. 3-Way can be used in and out of the water. It's completely modular, so you can configure it for a wide variety of uses and adjust it for nearly infinite angles. 3-Way measures 20 inches at full extension and a low-profile 7.5 inches when collapsed. If you only bring one mount with you, 3-Way may be your new best friend. Throw it in your pack on surf trips, mountain adventures, urban vacations, and more. Compatible with all GoPro cameras and perfect for a wide range of sports and activities. 3-Way helps make the world's most versatile camera exactly that.